So, students, the lesson is about explanatory research. So, introduction part. Research helps us understand different situations and problems in the world. There are several types of research and each has a different purpose. Explanatory research is especially important because it focuses on explaining reasons behind events and behaviors. So, explanatory research is a type of research that aims to explain why something happens. It focuses on finding cause and effect relationship between different variables. This means it tries to understand how one factor influences another. The purpose of this research, the main is to go deeper than just describing a situation. It helps researchers understand the reasons behind certain patterns, behaviors, or outcomes. These types of research is often used to test ideas and theories. Key characteristics of this research. Explanatory research focuses on answering why questions. It uses structured scientific methods to collect and analyze data. It also studies the relationship between variables and often involves testing hypotheses. So, variables are important in explanatory research. The independent variable is the cause and the dependent variable is the effect. For example, the number of hours a student studies can affect their exam results. So, hypothesis. Hypothesis is a statement or prediction that can be tested through research. It's usually based on previous knowledge or observations. For example, students who study more hours will achieve higher grades. Research process. The process of explanatory research includes several steps. First, the researcher identifies the problem or question. Then, they create a hypothesis, collect data, analyze the results, and finally draw conclusions. The methods. Explanatory research uses different methods to collect data. These include experiments, surveys, observations, and statistical analysis. Each method helps researchers understand relationships between variables. So, experiments. They are one of the most common methods used in explanatory research. In experiments, researchers control certain variables to see how they affect outcomes. This helps clearly identify cause and effect relationships. Second, surveys. So they involve asking people questions to collect information. They are useful for understanding opinions, behaviors, and experiences. Surveys can be conducted online, in person, or through questionnaires. Data analysis. After collecting data, researchers analyze it using statistical tools. This helps them find patterns and relationships between variables. The results are then used to support or reject the hypothesis. For example, an example of explanatory research is studying why students perform better when they get enough sleep. Researchers analyze how sleep affects concentration, memory, and academic performance. So, in conclusion, we can say that explanatory research is essential for understanding why things happen. It helps identify causes, test ideas, and improve decision making. This type of research plays a key role in developing knowledge and solving problems in different fields.